Hey guys, I'm going to do natural clean girl sort of makeup. I love this moisturizer. It's called Berry Illuminating Moisturizer. I'm gonna take a very little amount and I'm only going to put it on the areas where I want it to look shiny, because this part, like my entire face is a bit shiny right now because I'm an oily skin girl. The entire video is about me struggling with my long ass nails. Make it work by applying very little, and now I have this some texture with the pimple. Get me a primer. This is a silicone based primer. To dab it on areas that I know are textured. See, blurs. Color by Brownie Fiber Mascara. I'm not going to change the shape of my brows because if I do too much like sharp corners, it ends up looking not natural. And another trick to look natural is that I'm going to use my brow mascara for my eyes as well, because this is not dark black, this is like a gray tone brown. It's going to make me look like I'm not wearing mascara, but also gonna give me clean look. You can curl them if you want, but mine's pretty straight, and when I curl them and apply mascara, it looks like spidery legs. It's not very different shade from my actual lip shade, but this was my quick no makeup look, clean girl look, whatever you want to call it.